TikTok has taken the world by storm with its short, engaging videos. In this tutorial, we'll show you how to create captivating 60 or 30-second TikTok videos that will keep your audience coming back for more. Let's get started. Think about your video's theme, target audience, and the message you want to convey. Make sure open TikTok app. Tap the plus button in bottom center of screen. Here you can see 60 or 15 seconds, record your video. If you want to record your video 60 or 30 seconds, choose the 60 seconds. And tap on timer option in the right side of screen. Now you will see a timeline slider. Tap and drag the slider till where you want to choose 60 or 30 seconds. Tap on record button. And you will start to record your video. That's it. Remember, practice makes perfect, so keep experimenting, stay consistent, and enjoy the creative process. Happy TikToking! If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching.